Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to compress your files to zip on any Android device. You can also do this with your folders. Having files or folders compressed to zip can make it easier to move around, especially if you have a flash drive. So if you want to compress your files or folders to zip, you have to download this app called zаарchivировать on Play Store. Even if you have the Pro or you have the free version, both of them can work perfectly fine. So I'm going to put a link in the description for you to download it. So open the app. I'm going to use my video folder as an example. If you want to compress one of your folder or files, just click and hold the folder or files and click on compress. Leave everything as it is. Make sure you select the zip option. For compressed level, you can tweak it if you want, but I'm going to leave it on fast, which is the default. For your password, you can choose a password for your zip files. I'm just going to use, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then when you click on OK, it will compress the files to zip. As you can see right here, we have now compressed our folder to zip. You can now move this zip file anywhere you want, which will make it actually easier than copying the videos one by one. So if you want to extract the zip, what you have to do is to click on it and click on extract here. It's going to ask for the password. When you put the password, it's going to extract and become the folder. So that's how you create a zip file on Android. That's all for this video. See you guys in the next one.